What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I have Ismael here with me. Right now we are outside Cardenas. We're outside a grocery store and I'm gonna make something I haven't done on my channel, son quesadillas, which it's gonna be a cooking video. This video is gonna be a cooking video, so I'm just letting you know. But I wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna get. I'm outside of Cardenas, like I just mentioned, and we're gonna go get the ingredients. But yeah, it's 9 o'clock right now. Apenas dejé a Analí en la escuela y me vine derechito aquí. I go to work a little bit later on today, so I have time to make I have time to make dinner today, but no encargada. Like yesterday, I got out of work and then I went straight to the grocery store. I went to Ralph's and I went to go get some carne asada and I just made it on the pan, refried some beans, and boom, that was dinner. So today, no estoy tan encargada, which is awesome because I have time. So we're gonna go to Cardenas right now. Uh-oh, están las llaves. Yeah, we're gonna go to Quesadillas right now. It is really windy, you guys. It's been really windy for the past couple, like 2 days. Like that. Yeah, it's super windy. So I usually don't shop at Cardenas because I think this is really expensive when you can get these for $1 at like another grocery store. But I think Cardenas is expensive AF, to be honest. I don't have another option but to get the carne here. And you know, if you know me, you know that I only shop at Stater Brothers or Ralph's when it comes to this. Okay, so now that I am back from the store, I'm going to show you guys the ingredients you're going to need to make these quesadillas. The main thing you're going to need is masa. I got about 4 pounds of masa para tortilla. So you want to make sure that you go to your tortilleria and you buy la masa para tortillas. The next thing you're going to need is you're going to need Monterrey Jack cheese or any type of cheese that you guys que acostumbran a comer en sus casas. I use that one. I just like to use that one instead of mozzarella. I just feel like mozzarella cheese no tiene mucha sal, and I'm just used to this one, so I'm going to use that one. And then for the relleno, for the filling itself that I'm going to use, I'm going to do chorizo con papas. Yes, you guys, you heard that right. Chorizo and papas. So this is what the main filling is going to be. You can do these quesadillas any type of filling that you guys want. If you want to use carne asada, you can use carne asada. If you want to use chorizo con papas, you can use chorizo con papas. I just personally think this is a really good combination and I really like this one. And I'm also going to do pollo con salsa verde. So this is the same way I do the tamales de pollo. So I'm just boiling some chicken breast in this pot of hot water. And then for the salsa, I'm going to use tomatillos y jalapeños for the chicken. So I'm going to mix it together. And then for the toppings itself, you're going to use queso fresco or queso cotija, whatever type of cheese that you guys like. I like queso fresco, so that's what I use. And then I top it up off with some lechuga, with lettuce. And then, of course, you cannot forget the crema. These are all optional things that you can use. This is just what I use. But again, you guys can do this whatever way you guys want. So obviously I'm gonna need about like about 10 papas. I already cut the papas up in little cubes. I just feel like this is la parte que se demora más la gente. This is what takes the longest, is cutting these little suckers up. So I already cut them up and I did them in like little cubes, and this is about like 10 papas. Now I'm gonna start cooking the papas. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of aceite to the pot. Okay, so I ended up putting half of the batch of papas in here because it was way too many and no se iban a cocer. They were not going to cook thoroughly. So I'm doing batches of papas at a time. So I just put a little bit of oil, as you saw earlier. And then I put some papas in here and I'm just going to wait till they're cooked. And I'm doing the extra batch of potatoes on another pan. Like I said, this one is it was too small. there was too many potatoes for this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cook this until they are semi almost done. Like they're still a little bit hard because I'm gonna add the chorizo afterwards. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pelar these tomatillos and wash the jalapenos, and I'm gonna put them to boil. I'm gonna add the tomatillos and the jalapenos to this. I'm gonna boil them. Okay, so in the blender, I'm gonna go ahead and blend in my tomatoes and mis tomatillos and the jalapeno. Say hi, Anani.
Hi.
¿Qué querías que no?
Hi.
Okay, so now I'm going to decide to say the chicken. I'm gonna add the chicken in here. Okay, so now we're gonna do the tortillas, and this is masa for tortillas. So when you go to your tortilleria, make sure you tell them it's for tortillas. And I'm gonna take like about this much and just make it into a ball. This is a una bolsa, like a plastic bag, and I just put it on top of the tortillera. The tortillera, is that how you say it? Tortillera. And I'm just gonna squeeze it down. And then voila. So esta tortillera, right? Because I heard that tortillera is like lesbians in a different terminology, but this tortillera is from Tijuana. It's from Tijuana, so I don't know where you can get this in the States, but this is my suegra's tortillera and it works bomb AF. I'm gonna add the cheese. I'm gonna add the cheese to this. Hold on, wait. So I just added the cheese to the tortilla and I'm gonna fold it para que se redita, and then we're gonna add the relleno inside of it once the cheese is melted. Derritió el queso, the cheese melted. I'm gonna go ahead and add the filling to that one, which is papas and chorizo, because this one's my favorite one. So it looks like this, and then I'm gonna add the queso fresco to this. So it looks like, I feel like I'm in a lotera. Lechuga. Oops. And just like that. And this is the quesadilla, y'all. You can put salsita on it, but personally, I don't like salsa. I don't like spiciness. I don't like any of that, but it's so good, you guys. If you guys have never tried this, you guys are missing out.